Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as always, leave a comment down below or question if you have any questions. But as always, let's jump right into it. So today is actually, I'm going to be reading a bunch of quotes, trading quotes, and hopefully a couple of these will really resonate with you, okay? I want these really have helped me over the years, and I want to share these with you, okay? So I'm going to just kind of read them out loud, and if you like any of them, write them down, and hopefully these will help you guys out in your own trading, okay? First quote, public service announcement for new traders. You need to develop a system with an edge before you ever trade real money in the markets. Okay? Again, you need to develop a system with an edge before you ever trade real money in the market. Why in the world would you ever sit there and put real money at risk, okay, while you're trading? And if you try and use an excuse, oh, I don't have any money, well, then this is actually the best time for you to actually trade when you don't have money, so you can learn a great system. So hopefully that helps you guys. Next quote. To become a great trader, you have to admit that you suck, okay? Find someone great and shut up and listen. If your own ideas were good, you would be rich by now. The best advice is the advice you don't agree with and find hard to do. Commit to a new way of thinking and stop looking for validation. Okay? And what that means is we have a ratio. Okay? We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, meaning be less quiet, okay, and listen more with your ears, okay? Because we will learn so much. Don't think you know everything about the market. And I will say, okay, I'll be very humble right now and kind of vulnerable. I used to tell people I know everything about the market. I've been doing this 18 years and I still don't know everything about the market. Every day the market shows me something new. I'm always a student of the market, and that's why I have to be successful. I have to be a student. I have to listen, watch, and speak very little. Now, my speaking comes through these YouTube videos to hopefully help you guys learn all these little tips and tricks that's taken me 18 years to learn, because if I could help 1, 2, 3 people, it's made my day. That's what I do these YouTube videos for. Okay, I've been doing them for years, and it's my way of giving back. People have helped me along my journey. But again, I've listened more than I speak, so I hope that helps. The next quote. Each time you're about to make a trade, ask yourself, if I could only make 10 trades per year, would this be one of them? That's how to trade like a champion. Make every decision a quality choice, okay? And what that means is don't just jump in, okay, to a trade just because, okay? That's never going to make you rich. You have to have a plan. You have to make sure, hey, does this mark all the checklists or my personal checklist? Is there divergence? What's the market doing? Are we in an uptrend, downtrend? Do I like the pace of the market? All these different things that I look at when I day trade the S&P E-mini futures. So hopefully that helps you guys. So the next quote, don't give up on trading. It is a difficult skill to acquire. It will require years of trials and errors before you get good at it. But once acquired, that skill will allow you to compound your money for the rest of your life like nothing else can. Okay? Meaning, It's tough. I'm not going to lie. Trading is a very, very tough game. Okay? I've been doing this 18 years and I still have losing days. It is part of it. The psychology. I've had to learn to accept my losses. I'm okay accepting my losses. I'm okay losing money, but I'm not okay with losing money recklessly. If I do everything correct on the trade and I manage my trade and manage my risk and I lose, I'm okay with it. But if I do something stupid out of the ordinary, which we all do, every trader who's been trading will always have those couple trades where we kind of mess up and we break our own rules. So don't think we're all perfect. Nobody is. If anybody does say they are, they're kind of full of it, okay? So learn, learn, learn. Always be learning. Okay, and always be getting better, striving, but it's going to be very hard to acquire this skill. It's not going to happen in 6 months. This is a lifelong journey. It will take you years and years to acquire being a great trader. So, thank you for watching. I hope these quotes help you. I'm going to do a few more of these videos of quotes, and hopefully they could resonate with you guys and maybe help you guys along your trading kind of journey. So if you like these videos, make sure you put a thumbs up, like the video. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.